afternoon, and good evening. Okay, from wherever you're watching this video from. Welcome to another exciting episode of our weekly commentary. So let's head over to the chat and see what we have for the week. So remember last week, I talked about how I want to see price trade above the previous week high, which is this candle's week high, this bullish candle week high, and into this fair value gap. Okay. Also, we say that if we should overshoot the fair value gap, now we might see price trade back up into this breaker, then reject and go lower. So overall, we are bearish here, and want to see price keeps being bearish. Okay, keeps looking for the low, looking for a way to take out this low and finally into our accessor liquidity. Also, if you look closer, you have this old fair value gap here. Price, violate it aggressively, create another fair value gap here, making this as our balanced price range. Okay, so I don't think price is ready to go to this breaker because of the formation of this balanced price range. Here is already balanced, so I don't think price will have any business going back up to our breaker. So this week is going to be a quite simple one. And remember, you see that I want to see a open, a high, then a low, and a close. Okay, and we got that here last week. Okay, so we got that bearish candle last week, the formation, an open, a high, a low, and a close. So this week we are still expecting the same thing: the open, the high, make a high of the week, then we trade lower and come off from the low of the week and close out. So this week I'm just expecting price to run below previous week low and our previous 2 weeks low. This up close candle run below the low and start making its way towards this external range liquidity that we have below here, and subsequently this fair value gap, this old fair value gap. Sorry for that. This old fair value gap inside here. Okay, for the weekly time frame. So on a daily, we saw it last week. Okay, trade up. Okay, rejected from this fair value gap. Okay, we have this daily fair value gap and also a balanced price range. So I don't think price is ready to come to this one above here. I think the bears are very heavy. Okay, the bears are very heavy. On the daily time frame, you can still see price run above this high. Okay, run above this high, maybe mitigate the 50% of this fair value gap. Okay, so today is Monday, and we have already started trading for the week. So won't be surprised if you see Monday trade above the previous day's high, last Friday's high. Maybe tap into the 50% of this fair value gap. Okay, tap into the 50% and boom, we'll now start seeing the bearishness in that. Maybe from Tuesday, price will be more cleaner and you start making its way towards the previous week low, and so this aside liquidity below here. So that's what I'm seeing on the dailies. I don't think price can come all the way up to this fair value gap. It might happen, I'm not saying, but I won't prefer it to happen. I just prefer it to just stay heavy, okay, to the downside. So just maybe retracement to a short-term discount a short-term premium, sorry, above this previous day high, then dive deep inside of this CB. Then from there we go lower. So as I have my eyes on, that's on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, this is like a market maker sell model. Okay, and we have here is the left side of the curve. We have our original consolidation. We have our original consolidation. Okay, our original consolidation, then accumulation phase 1, accumulation phase 2, then smart money reversal. Okay, so this might be our distribution phase 1. So you might still see price trade all the way back into, because I think we have an unfinished business right here. We have our fair value gap that press left. We have that fair value gap right there, and also the high of this candle. Okay, so we still have this fair value gap right here. Okay, so we might still see price trade, on Monday go up around this previous day high, that's Friday's high, and maybe tap into the fair value gap. Then you can now see the expansion to the downside. Okay, you now see the expansion to the downside. That's what I'm favoring. So price trade up before we go down for the week and run our original consolidation low, because we already have our low original liquidity run signature right here, a low and a higher low. Okay, price is now making the retracement from this high to this low. Okay, into a key level, this fair value gap. Then from there we can now go lower and attack this SI below this original consolidation low. The daily time frame, you see that we've had a structure break here. We've run liquidity above all these highs. Finally, a nice break of structure below here. Okay, you've gotten the market structure shift. Okay, so we've gotten the market structure shift right there, and okay, you might see price use this as a mitigation block. Okay, you're seeing this as a mitigation block. If we drag it out in time, we might see price trade back up. Okay, also in line with our 4-hour fair value gap level. Okay, see price trade into it, then reject, and we'll start pushing to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing on DXY. That's what I'm seeing on DXY. So a quick one on Euro USD. So we can see that last week we have a nice up close candle. We anticipated during our last week trade commentary. I want to see price trade lower, open trade lower, then expand to the upside and retraces and close out for the week. And this week we're expecting another up close. Yes, originally I was expecting an up close, considering the fact that I don't know, maybe for a reason on the lower time frame, on the daily time frame, price failed to get to our our initial let's say POI, point of interest. Okay, our initial point of interest for the buy, for the expansion to happen, which is this buy side imbalance. Okay, this small fair value gap right here. Maybe price failed to get there, then the expansion. So this week I'm also expecting the rate on previous week high. I'm also expecting the rate on this previous week high. Price can still decide to run previous week low and tap into this low, but I won't like that to happen. So I just want price to stay heavy to the upside, run this buy side. These are previous week high above here. That's the previous week high right there. Okay, let's see price run the previous week high, then start making its way towards the previous monthly high. And our drawn liquidity still remains the external range. Okay, the buy side above this level. Okay, that still remains our drawn liquidity. Overall, you're still bullish. Sorry. Okay, so here on daily time frame, we saw that last week our price reacted from this level, and we talked that last week being NFP week, that might see some craziness in price delivery, and we need to be careful. We said that we need to be careful last week trading, because we are inside a larger fair value gap right here, and we have this fair value gap and subsequently this higher one. I want to see price react from maybe come up, drop into this level before expansion, or you can just expand from here all the way to this other one. Okay, we talked about it on the previous week commentary. So if you not watch the video, you can head over to our channel and watch the video to understand our standpoint. Okay, so this week we're still expecting bullishness. Okay, after we've run some manner of social liquidity below this low, so the price closed back inside the range. Then the next day, nice up close. Okay, we created a bullish order block. Okay, and also a little tiny fair value gap with the high of this candle and with the high of this candle and the low of this candle. Okay, we created a fair value gap. This is the new trading week. We have the fair value gap inside there and also a bullish order block. Okay, we also have a bullish order block right there. This is a bullish order block right there. So Friday price action, we traded down into the bullish order block. Okay, we respect it, we reject and close back inside the range. Okay, so we close back inside the range. Close back inside the range. So I'm anticipating this week I will still see price trade lower. Okay, mitigate the main threshold of this order block, the 50% level, running previous day low, and the buy continues. Or we can just be heavy from here and start making our way towards previous week high, and subsequently towards our usual liquidity above our previous month's high. So that is it on the daily. And on the 4-hour time frame, okay, you still have the same thing, the market maker buying model. Okay, you have the market maker buying model. You have our original consolidation inside here. You have We have our distribution phase 1, distribution phase 2, then smart money reversal. Okay, accumulation phase 1, then we're on sell side. Here's accumulation phase 1. Now we might still see price. I think price still have an unfinished business below here. We have this fair value gap right here. Okay, we have that fair value gap right there. Have that fair value gap right there. And also a bullish order block. Okay, and also a bullish order block. And also a bullish order block. Okay, so we might still see price, run lower, hit the key objective. If we see that happen, I'll be very much excited to buy. Okay, to look for buys from this level. Then you can ride the expansion to the upside. That will be a pretty nice trade for the week. That will be a pretty nice trade for the week for me. If price should come down to this level, then the opportunity will be very much cleaner to see price run previous week high and complete our market maker buy model, because this is a market maker buy model. This is the left side of the chart and this is the right side of the chart. Okay, the right side of the buy model, attacking regional consolidation above this high. So that is it. Okay, you have the market smart money reversal here. Price have covered up the daily fair value gap that might act as a resistance, and we're now expecting price to maybe run below this low, because we have more like an equal low with this low and this short-term low inside here. Okay, you have an equal low right there, so price might come down on those equal lows, accumulate more buy order inside of this order block. Okay, this 4-hour order block and a 4-hour fair value gap ABC, then you now expand to the upside. So that's pretty much everything I'm expecting for the week. Okay, so maybe if there's any other thing that might act as a disruption in the market that will make this BC to fail, then you might see price overshoot. Or if anything happens that we overshoot this low, this low, if anything happens that we overshoot this low, then we might definitely see price trade down here if we should take out this low. That will invalidate my bullish bias, and I'll be in the sideline and wait for more cleaner price action. So, but overall, I want to see this order block act as a support for price going higher. If we should invalidate this low, then price will come down here. But I don't prefer it to happen. I won't like it to happen. I just want price to stay heavy after we have traded into this our key support level. I want price to be heavy and attack our buy side liquidity above here. So that is it for the week. So I wish you guys thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the videos. If you like what you see here, if you like what we are doing in this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section and I'll be very happy to answer your questions. So for the meantime, I wish you good luck and good trading. Have a nice week. Thank you.